Okay, vlog lang ako about autonomy and yung proper, yung sinasabi nilang chain of command. Okay? For ano to yung view ko lang. Kasi, when you are at the highest rank position of a chain of command, you should always exercise autonomy. Meaning, you should let your subordinates or the lower ranks na dumiskarte. Meaning, kung walang mali sa kanilang ginagawa, then let them do their thing. You just support. Okay? Yun. And then, yung sinasabi nila na may mga projects kasi, lalo na sa PWD na barangay base, it's very impossible. It's very impossible na walang suportang LGU dyan. Sana man lang kung magpapagawa kayo ng project, di ba? Imbitado yung Fed nyo. Dapat, okay, fine, may project yung barangay na ganyan, pero dapat may LGU yan. Pagpapasok kayo sa isang lugar dito sa Pilipinas, lagi dapat may courtesy ang LGU. Kasi ang PWD Federation, yung organization ng PWD is directly connected to the LGU. And yung mga PWD organization ng barangay is directly connected to the barangay. May executive order yan. So bakit kung barangay, bakit barangay lang? Dapat pinapasalamatan nyo rin yung local government officials. Pinapasalamatan nyo rin yung local government officials kasi technically, pag manghihingi kayo ng higher logistics or backup, kanino kayo pupunta? Yung barangay would always go to the LGU. So yun. Yung chain of command is barangay ka, ang chain of command mo mas mataas sa'yo is LGU. You should always respect, you should always invite, you should always tag in kung may FB post kayo yung LGU. Kasi it's very impossible na magkaka-project kayo na walang influence yung LGU. Swerte na lang kayo kung hindi kayo nakikita, pero swerte kayo kung hindi kayo natatanong. Kasi I'm sure imbitado yung Fed. So pag in-invite niyo yung Fed, saan ba nakakonekta yung Fed? Sa LGU. So yun lang po.